Estate Rank IQ utilizes AI tech to deliver the latest real estate news, market trends, interior design and architectural insights, home buying and selling hacks, exclusive peeks into celebrity pads, and a quiz formation, transforming the way people consume real estate content. Welcome back to Real Estate Rank IQ, where today we're slicing and dicing through the new Kitchen Remodel Design Budget Challenge. Get ready to whisk through some stunning transformations without breaking the bank. Let's see who can cook up the most mouth-watering kitchen makeover on a shoestring budget. Start your mixers, folks. What's a top perk of having a design guru by your side? The ballpark figure for a mid-range kitchen facelift falls between What's the secret sauce influencing your kitchen remodel budget? Mastering the art of spend-save in kitchen makeovers means which strategy is a game changer for trimming kitchen remodel costs? To keep wallets happy, what's a smart move for cabinetry scouting for a wallet-friendly countertop? This material is a gem compared to natural stone. An economical and chic Backsplash choice is island. When on a budget, what is suggested regarding kitchen islands? Here's a savvy suggestion. Smart shopping for appliances involves a way to save on appliances is to cut appliance costs by when pinching pennies your kitchen lighting should zero in on. What flooring option provides a balance of look and comfort? When adding the final flair to your kitchen, it's wise to And there you have it, folks. The blueprint to a kitchen that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. Remember, a fabulous kitchen doesn't require a fat wallet, just a smart strategist like yourself. Smash that like button if you're all about high style on a low budget, and hit subscribe to keep your design game as sharp as your chef's knife.